High beam assist works with the eyesight camera. So the eyesight cameras sit at the top of the windshield and they will sense headlights from other cars, both headlights and taillights. So if you put your headlights on auto and then you click the turn signal lever away from you, then it will stay in high beam assist. And then when it gets dark, the light sensor on the dash will sense that it's dark and it will turn on the high beam assist and operate as needed. It's got a little green symbol that looks like a little headlamp, and it's got a little A in it. It shows up right above P for park. There's a button on the steering wheel. You can say things like,
set temperature to 72.
Okay, setting temperature to 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
Set fan speed to level 3.
Setting fan speed to 3.
This is the shortcut menu. You can turn your pre-collision braking off. It will default to on, but you do want to turn it off for car washes or if you ever have to get towed on a flatbed truck. The adaptive cruise works very much like any other cruise control system. You set your speed, but once your speed is set, the cameras will sense the car in front of you and adjust with the flow of traffic. So if you're set to 55 and the car in front of you is only going 40, you're going to slow down to 40. When they get out of the way, you'll go back up to your set speed. There's sensors on the door where you can just tap the sensor and it will lock the car. You don't have to take your key out of your pocket. Same thing with opening. On some Foresters, they're equipped with a kick sensor. So as long as you have your key with you and your car is turned off, you can kick underneath the bumper and the tailgate will open for you. So hands-free. So if your hands are full, you don't have to put your stuff down. You don't have to take your key out.